only watch this video if you were not able to get the answer yourself in Excel, because watching videos is not going to teach you Excel. You will learn Excel by actually trying it out yourself in Excel. This sheet is about a new function, Iferror, that also contains two arguments. It needs two kinds of inputs to work. Let's have a look. So first of all, it's about errors. So there are different kinds of errors in Excel. For instance, functions that it doesn't recognize, or here we're trying to sum text. Of course, that's not possible. Formulas that don't work correctly. Functions that are not written well, or other kinds of errors. This is not what we want to see in reports, so that's why the Iferror function exists. And if we look at it, it consists of two parts. It will evaluate a value, and if this value does not contain any error, it will just show this value. If, on the other hand, this value does generate an error in Excel, it won't show the error, but instead it will show this part of the function. So again, two arguments, the value and the value if there's an error. And here we see 10 divided by 2, that doesn't give an error, so we see the result, we see 5. But 10 divided by 0, you cannot divide by 0, that does generate an error, so that's why it shows nope. Good. Here we have to calculate the square root, so that's SQRT of this number. Okay, that's the value. I'm gonna first do it without the if error, and you see in case of these two numbers that are negative, it doesn't work because you cannot calculate the square root of a negative number. So instead of just calculating the square root, we're gonna say if error. This is our value, the square root of the cell next to it. And if that creates an error, we want to see the words not possible. Because it's text, it goes between quotation marks. Text always goes between quotation marks in Excel. All right, so let's copy it down. And indeed, you see here, instead of showing this ugly error, it shows the text that we mentioned in the function.